The magical 30 degrees north, green mountains, layers of tea gardens, and houses scattered around the gardens. All these elements, in a harmonious manner, compose Yuexi in Anhui Province.
Have you ever tried Chinese tea? We are here in the Yuexi tea village. I'm surrounded by the tea plants. Spring is the best moment to pick up tea. Let's see now how the process is to make tea. Follow me.
As an ancient tea-making technique, passed down through the generations, handmade tea technique is the heart and soul of the tea culture in Yuexi. To see the essence of this time-honored craft, I reached out to Fan Libin, an inheritor of Yuexi's handmade tea, the intangible cultural heritage. Fang told me that they roasted tea leaves with their bare hands throughout the entire tea roasting process. They control the temperature based on intuitive experience, and thus they can make unique tea leaves. Compared with the handmade tea technique, the modern machinery tea making method is more efficient and suitable for large-scale production with lower cost.
This is the final step of the process.
The taste of tea is truly magical. It has a slight bitterness in the mouth first, but then a lasting sweet aftertaste follows. They told me that these green leaves are also their golden leaves. Sinopec is working hard to deliver the sweet aroma of the tea leaves to the people all over the world, while rewarding Yuexi tea farmers with a better living.